Guys, so we're gonna do a before and after like we just took for Avery's phone. This is her before. Avery is a very light blonde. She has some darker pieces in it, but overall I'd say she's probably like a level 9 and mixed with the 8-7 throughout the underneath. And the star of our show today is, we're going Pop XG Purple. It's the Paul Mitchell's brand, and blue. And then because I live in a strict area, I also have this for when I need to remove it if it doesn't all come out on its own, because that might be something I'll need eventually. Alright guys, so I'm going to be working in diagonal sections, which means we are going this way, and then this side is going to come down this way.
About to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know. About to see the world in action, what we can be, life with no distractions. We'll get away, this is what we waited for. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out, die with my own doubts. Be free with me.
Half of Avery's head done, and now we're on to this half. As you can see, we have some good teasing up there. She has very long hair. As you guys saw, I would really benefit from my balayage board, but I don't have it here with me, so we're making do. Alright guys, I just need to close this foil up, and then we'll be moving on to the other side of her head. Now that we're on to the side, as you can see, we're going to once again do the diagonal sections and weaving. And we're going to start with the same color that we started over here. And we're going to start with the same color that we started the bottom back with too.
Not looking back, eyes on the freeway, Bonnie and Clyde, a classic cliche, we're on the run. This is what we waited for. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out.
Guys, we moved on to the other side of the head. It's the same thing.
Living life with the lights out, die with my own doubts.
All done.
Be free
and
with me.
Alright guys, we're all done and we love it. Do you love it, Eve?
Yeah.
Yeah. Let's see you front. Yay. No, I didn't mean to do that. She always calls me out. Yay! Got mermaid galaxy hair. You're a galaxy mermaid. You feel different?
Yeah.
Yeah. Beautiful. Beautifulness.
Beautiful.
Beautiful. Beautiful. We had to do her bangs
Beautiful.
different too because she's still growing her bangs out, so I had to foil them separately.
Wait, how long am I bangs? I have not checked. Still the same.
Yeah. It looks good. Do you look in the mirror? Thanks. It doesn't feel like you, does it? No. You love it?
It was bleeding through from like the hot water. Mom was, and Mom, what's wrong with my words? But Mom was like freaking out. She was like, "Oh no, it's gonna bleed through. It's gonna cover your whole head."
Yeah, the blue. You look so grown up though with it. I feel like it might be how I curled your hair too. You look so grown. It's so cute. Do a spin.
Spin.
Okay. Maybe not quite so fast. Turn. Rotate. Rotate. Okay.
That's a turny. Turn.
We love it. Looks good.